progressive suspension.
This is Rex from R1 Concepts.
Ricky's gonna make up for it, dude. We put R1s on his, and he's gonna do it. 42s you can't lose, right?
Yeah.
Can't lose the 42s.
And not to mention he's on 42s. He's rating it in a 60-80. So I mean,
Wonton winning, dude.
Turn on your lower live.
Not too much for that. There you go.
Hard passenger.
Where's the other guy at? It's on the other side.
Right here.
It's clear.
You're gonna have to drive it like you stole it.
Yeah, so now once you start coming forward about a foot, then you're going to want to get on it.
So I resent that.
Ready?
Yep. Just like that. Nice.
See? Bro, was that even an obstacle? No. Good?
Start coming up a little bit, we'll start turning right.
This guy's route, dude. Should have done that in the beginning.
I hit that one last time.
Jesus Christ.
Are you awake, Ian?
I am now. That line right there, now just bump it. Go. stop and then driver's side. Right there, you coming? Nothing in front of you, totally clear. So now you're gonna step up in the back. Once you start to do that step, then you can bump. So right there, go. So right there, go.